How to set subtitles to appear on a single line. To begin, I opened a subtitle and I want to set all subtitles to appear on a single line. First, go to Options, Settings, and set max number of lines to 1, and click OK. This does nothing but show all the subtitles that are in 2 lines. Now go to Tools and select Break or Split Long Lines. Here you set the maximum number of characters you want to appear in one line, and because we want all subtitles to appear in one line, it doesn't matter to set line maximum number. I want all the lines to split at line breaks from BR tags, so I check Split at line breaks. And now you can see a list of lines that will be affected and just click OK. Now select one of the subtitles, then press ctrl+A to select all the lines, and just click on the unbreak button. Now each subtitle appears in one single line. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.